How to change Siri's language on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Siri. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you find information and get things done. Siri settings allow you to customize Siri's speed, language, and even enable Type to Siri for a silent interaction, and control whether it responds when your iPhone is locked. On this page, go to the Siri Requests section and tap on Language. You can view all the available Siri languages over here. Scroll down and select the language according to your preference. After that, go back to the previous page. Here, tap on Change Language to confirm. Following these steps, you can easily change Siri's language on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.